Yeah, first of all, regarding sa first win against Ginebra, after 5 years, no? Before we got in first win namin. But before the start of the game, sa practice, we talk about na it's beatable pa rin yung Ginebra, even though na we haven't beaten them for the past 5 years, 14 games yata, to be exact. But we have yung game na what kind of game is that? Before the start of the last year conference, we beat the Ginebra sa out-of-town games against sa Ginebra against sa Batangas City. On tour, hindi on tour. So sabi nga, yun lang, that's a game na we mentioned na beatable yung Ginebra. And again, we challenge yung mga players namin na yung tonight's game, it's a statement game for us. Everyone's questioning about yung status ng team, na hindi kami naanal sa mga big teams. So I hope na with this win, we prove na we're here to win games, no? And we're here to be competitive, hindi yung basta-basta na team lang.
Thank you, Coach.